A few days ago, I got a text from my friend Ryan saying he's trying to save for the down payment of his new home. Sadly, his 9-to-5 job won't let him save enough cash after paying all the bills. Ryan's situation inspired me to make this video. After doing some research, I found 4 fantastic opportunities for a side hustle, and I would like to share them with you today. You see, 45% of working Americans currently have a side hustle. And that's not all. 30% of those with a side hustle said they needed extra cash to cover basic costs. The most exciting part is that 15% of side hustlers make over $1,500 monthly. Today, we'll uncover 4 mind-blowing ways to earn extra cash, even in the comfort of your home. Watch until the end because the options I'm about to unveil to you guys might make you millions in the next couple of years. By the way, if you'd like to invest money earned through your side hustles, here's a fantastic opportunity. Click on the link below in the description to get $100 free to invest in M1 Finance. It's a great way to jumpstart your investment portfolio. Number 4, Social Media Manager. Now, if you're looking for a side hustle that has great potential in 2023, consider becoming a social media manager. Ideally, your role will be managing a company's social media presence, which includes creating and scheduling engaging content, responding to comments and messages, and tracking analytics to measure performance. As a social media manager, you'll build and maintain relationships with customers and prospects, ultimately helping businesses thrive digitally. But what does it take to become a social media manager? The truth is, you don't need formal education, but there are steps you can take to increase your chances of success. Start by developing your social media skills through online courses, reading books, and attending industry events to gain knowledge in social media marketing. As you progress, building a portfolio showcasing your work will help you stand out to potential employers. Networking with other professionals in the field is also valuable for finding job opportunities and learning from experienced people. Furthermore, consider getting certified through recognized social media certification programs to demonstrate your expertise to potential employers. In reality, being a social media manager comes with many benefits. You'll enjoy flexibility in your work schedule, as many social media managers can work from home. The compensation can be lucrative depending on your experience and the size of the company you work for. With the growing demand for social media managers, there's good job security in this field. And the best part? As a social media manager, you'll have creative freedom to express your ideas and the opportunity to network with other professionals, opening doors for career growth and new job prospects. Number 3, e-commerce seller. Being an e-commerce seller is one of the best opportunities for a side hustle that you can start in 2023. As an e-commerce seller, you'll be involved in selling products or services online through various platforms such as websites, online marketplaces, and social media. Now, the duties of an e-commerce seller can vary depending on the size and type of business you operate. But there are some common tasks you'll need to handle. First, you'll need to find and source products that are in demand and can be sold at a profit. Once you've found suitable products, you'll need to list them on your website or an online marketplace. Effective marketing is crucial, and you can achieve this through online advertising, social media marketing, and email marketing. When customers make purchases, you'll need to fulfill the orders by shipping the products to them. Lastly, providing excellent customer service, which includes answering questions, processing returns, and resolving complaints, is essential for building customer loyalty. You might be wondering how you can truly become an e-commerce seller. Now, there are steps you can take to increase your odds. Start by developing your e-commerce skills through online courses, books, and industry events to gain knowledge in the field. Building product knowledge is also important so you can make informed decisions about what products to sell and how to market them. You'll need a platform to sell your products, so consider creating your own website or utilizing established online marketplaces like Amazon or eBay. Once you have a platform, it's time to market your products through various channels. Prioritize providing excellent customer service to build a loyal customer base and increase sales. And here's what's interesting, guys. Being an e-commerce seller allows you to enjoy flexibility in your work schedule, as you can often work from home. The potential for high profits exists, especially if you're selling high-demand products. Moreover, the startup costs for an e-commerce business are relatively low compared to renting a physical store. And the best part? Being an e-commerce seller allows you to reach a global audience, expanding your customer base beyond geographical limitations. Consider hitting subscribe if you're enjoying this video. Number 2. Online Tutor. If you're looking for a side hustle that can be rewarding in 2023, online tutoring is definitely worth considering. It's a fantastic way to share your knowledge and expertise while making some extra money. You can tutor students in a variety of subjects, ranging from math and science to English and history. Online tutoring platforms like Chegg and TutorMe make it easy to find students and get started on your tutoring journey. Online tutoring comes with several benefits that make it an appealing side hustle. First, you'll enjoy flexibility in your work schedule because you can tutor from anywhere in the world. This means you can create a schedule that fits your lifestyle. And here's the thing, guys, online tutors can earn good money, especially if they have experience and specialize in high-demand subjects. The demand for online tutoring is growing, ensuring job security for tutors. Another advantage is the ability to provide personalized attention to students, which enhances their learning experience. To become an online tutor, there are a few steps you need to follow. First, choose a subject you're passionate about and knowledgeable in. It's crucial to not only have expertise in the subject you'll be tutoring, but also enjoy it. Next, consider getting certified through online tutoring certification programs. This certification not only enhances your credibility, but also helps you attract more students and potentially earn a higher income. Once you're certified, create a profile on an online tutoring platform. Your profile should showcase your qualifications, experience, and rates. This will help potential students learn more about you and decide if you're the right fit for their tutoring needs. Finally, market yourself to attract students. Use social media platforms to find new customers and network with other tutors to spread the word about your tutoring services. Before we move on to the last side hustle, please consider dropping a like and subscribing to my channel if you enjoyed the content. Number 1. Virtual Assistant. Now, who's a virtual assistant? In essence, a virtual assistant is a self-employed worker who provides administrative, technical, or creative assistance to clients from a remote location. This means you can work with businesses of all sizes, from small startups to large corporations, without being tied to a specific physical location. As a virtual assistant, you'll have a wide range of tasks. For example, you can handle administrative tasks like email management, calendar scheduling, project management, data entry, and bookkeeping. If you have technical skills, you can offer services like website design and development, social media management, or graphic design. If you have creative abilities, you can take on tasks such as writing, editing, proofreading, transcription, or translation. The variety of tasks you can offer as a virtual assistant makes it an interesting and diverse side hustle. So, how can you become a virtual assistant? Start by developing your skills through online courses and tutorials that focus on the specific areas you want to specialize in. Once you feel equipped and ready to start, create a portfolio of your work to showcase your skills and experience to potential clients. Building a strong portfolio will help you stand out and attract clients. You can easily get started on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork as well. Networking is also essential for finding clients as a virtual assistant. Join online communities and connect with other virtual assistants to learn more about the industry and potentially find clients through referrals. Building a network can open up opportunities for collaboration and growth. Now, let's talk about the benefits of being a virtual assistant. First and foremost, you'll enjoy flexibility in your work schedule. As a virtual assistant, you can work from anywhere in the world, giving you the freedom to create a schedule that suits your lifestyle. You'll also have independence as a self-employed individual, allowing you to have control over your work and income. And the best part? There's a high demand for virtual assistants, which means there's great potential for growth and increased income. A side hustle can allow you to discover new passions, expand your skills, and boost your income. Whether you choose to embark on an e-commerce journey, share your knowledge as an online tutor, lend your voice to captivating projects, or provide virtual assistance to businesses, you can always reward yourself with extra cash to complement your paycheck. That's it for today. Until next time, guys, thanks for watching.